In this video, I will tell you how a breast pump can be beneficial for both you and your baby, and how it can also be advantageous for your family. So, make sure to watch the video till the end. I will be giving some important tips that every mother should know. For the mother, it helps stabilize milk supply and prevents issues such as blockages or lumps in the milk ducts. Additionally, by storing the expressed milk, the mother can flexibly manage her busy schedule or rest when needed. For the baby, properly stored breast milk maintains its nutritional value and supports healthy growth and development. Moreover, when milk is expressed and given through a bottle, the father and other family members can easily participate in the care of the baby, strengthening the bond between parents and the child. A breast pump is a wonderful tool that maximizes the benefits of breastfeeding while enhancing the comfort and convenience for the entire family.